These camera bags here, which were 99 cents each, have spare bulbs if they're needed, fuses, wife's vitamins, and the other one also has things such as sunscreen and hand cream. Up here on the engine guard, this particular bag, because of the number of kilometers we're going to be doing, going to need to do an oil change on this trip. So in there I have a spare oil filter and some other things like a pressure washer, etc. Those bags were $1.99, I think, or $2.99 each at Forest City Surplus. This one here on my engine guard has a tire compressor in it, and in my saddle bag I have my puncture kit if I need it. And this was something that I mounted a number of years ago. It's been very handy. A little toiletry bag. And here I've got a wash kit, toiletry kit, toilet paper, and about does it.